Hello friends! Do you want to permanently delete the CapCut app from your Android phone? Whether you want to free up space or stop using this app, in this tutorial, I'll show you a simple and secure way to do it. Follow my detailed steps and learn how to delete the app, including all its data from your device. Stay with me and get rid of unnecessary apps in just a few moments. So, to start, find and open the Settings menu on your phone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and find the Apps option, then tap on it to open. In this section, you'll see a list of all the installed apps on your device. To quickly find the CapCut app, you'll see a search icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it. Then, in the search bar, type CapCut, and when the app appears in the results, tap on it. Before proceeding with deletion, it is recommended to clear the app's cache and data for additional security. This will remove temporary files and reduce the chances of unauthorized access to your data after uninstallation. Find and open the storage option. Tap Clear Cache in the bottom right corner, then Clear Data in the bottom left corner, and confirm the action. Once you've completed these steps, go back and tap Uninstall at the bottom of the screen, then immediately tap OK to confirm. And that's it. By uninstalling, you have successfully removed the CapCut app from your Android phone. You've now freed up space and deleted all data related to this app. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.